prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. On our last turn we have done about the structure of nucleus. Now on the basis of nucleus there are two types of cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell in which primitive type of nucleus is present, but in eukaryotic cell advanced cell is present. So here we discuss what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, size is very small, nearby 1 to 10 micron meter, but in eukaryotic cell the size is large, which is in between 5 to 100 micron meter. Prokaryotic cell have only one chromosome, but eukaryotic cell have more than one chromosome. In prokaryotic cell, primitive nucleus is present. That means at the place of nucleus, nucleic acid is present, which is known as nucleoid. But in eukaryotic cell, well-defined nucleus is present. In prokaryotic cell, membrane-bound cell organelles are absent. But in eukaryotic cell, membrane-bound cell organelles are present, like endoplasmic reticulum, like plastid, vacuoles, Golgi body, etc. So we can say in prokaryotic cell bacteria cell is present, but in eukaryotic cell plant and animal cells comes. Here is the diagram of bacterial cell. Here you can see that so many cell organelles are present, but nucleoid is present at the place of nucleus. Here is a nucleic acid is present, which is known as nucleoid. So next is eukaryotic cell. As I told you, plant and animal cells comes. So what is the difference between them? Now in animal cell wall is absent, but in plant cell wall is present. In animal cell plastid is absent, but in plant cell plastid is present, which perform all we can say help in photosynthesis. So plants are known as autotrophic. Now in animal cell vacuoles are small but many in number, but in plant vacuoles are big and less in number. Animal cell Golgi apertures are present, but in plant at the place of Golgi apertures some small subunits are present, which is known as dictyosomes. And in animal cell centrosomes are present. In plant cell at the place of centrosome polar caps are present, which perform similar function as centrosomes. So these are the 5 main differences. So here is our topic.